Hello crypto cats, my name is Tom and I'm the crypto investor, and today I wanted to share with you what I believe is a very nice setup presenting itself in the crypto space and what looks to be a very decent opportunity to be adding to your position. And it may not look like it when you look at this on the 1 day chart. This is Bitcoin, and you could see this as what's called an engulfing candle, which is normally a very bearish sign, but I'll show you why I think this is potentially setting up as a really very nice bullish sign. Firstly, apologies that my voice is a little hoarse today. I was cheering on England's victory versus Germany yesterday and got a little carried away. If you have been getting any value out of the content I put out there, please do give me a like and subscribe. It really, really helps. Okay, so this doesn't look like much when you look at it on the 1 day chart, but if we take this down to a lower time frame, let's look at this on the 4-hour chart. And you can see that, we've been in this wedge. We've been talking about this wedge for a while. And, we got that false breakout, which we've looked at, which was when the bots got carried away with Elon mentioning Bitcoin in his tweet. People realized, that wasn't necessarily a real reason for the markets to be shooting up. We came down, tested 30 again, and this time we got the breakout of the this downward trend line. And what good investors, what strategic investors look for is a retest. So they want a retest of broken resistance, confirming it as support, and once they get that confirmation of support and that springboard up, that's when the smart money, the big money, tends to bound in to an investment. And right now, it's very early to be saying, we're still in that grassroots moment. It's just emerging, but we have the breakout, the retest, and the first signs that it might well be a successful retest. We have a bounce. It's not confirmed yet, but as this develops, the more this goes up, the more likelihood that momentum will materialize, and we will see confidence and more money going into this. And this could easily be a significant bounce. This could easily be something that this week takes us well up 10, 20, 30%, perhaps even up to 43,000 if this gathers speed. So I'm giving you some hopium. I'm quite excited about this. I'm maybe a little ahead in my excitement, but it looks like the grassroots of potentially a very, very nice move. To get confirmation, it's, as I said, it's still a bit early. Confirmation would be taking out this high here, so the previous high at 36,000, and then I think that's when the really smart money is going to be jumping in. But it's looking good. I don't want to say it too loud, but I'm cautiously optimistic that we may well see a decent bounce here. Now, I've personally been allocating more to Ethereum. If you look at the relationship between Bitcoin and Ethereum, so typically when the market's going down, the safe haven is Bitcoin. When the market's going up, alts tend to perform better, and the king of the alts, and almost not deserving to call it an alt, is Ethereum. And you can see that in the past 4 sessions now, we have seen let's quickly measure it. We've seen Ethereum gain 10% versus Bitcoin. And so, that's another sign that confidence is returning in to the market. Plus, there's just so much more good news on the horizon for Ethereum, particularly with EIP 1559 now being rolled out and the burning of Ethereum. So I'm expecting Ethereum to outperform in this upward move. Maybe we come up to this lowering trend line here and we find some resistance. We will see, but overall Ethereum is looking tastier from where I'm sitting, and that's where I've been buying personally spot Ethereum over the last month or so. So that's how I'm playing it. It's not financial advice. I'm just a guy on the internet, but I want to share with you what I'm doing. And lastly as well, another thing to give some confidence in the market. This is the shorts on Bitcoin, so the number of people shorting Bitcoin. And you can see that this has just shot down almost to the lowest it's ever been now after that enormous spike. And we now, have what's called a shooting star, a shooting star, which basically is saying that this is a fairly bearish pattern for shorts, as in a bullish pattern for Bitcoin. So it's looking good. That gives me some confidence as well. So watch this closely. you could effectively buy now, and if we do break down and make a lower low below this trend line, then perhaps exit your position. But overall, maybe wait for that clearance of 36,000 and then jump in. All right, I hope you found that useful. Happy investing, everyone, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best.